Hello everyone and welcome to our unboxing. Today we are introducing the VT9800 Bluetooth headset. It comes into two versions, mono and stereo, designed to meet different workplace needs. Let's start with comfort. The ear cup rotates 180 degrees and the microphone booth rotates up to 245 degrees. The ear cushions are made of premium, soft and highly resilient material, and the ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort, no fatigue, no pressure. And the VT9800 delivers up to 15 hours of talk time on full charge for the mono version and 18 hours for stereo. Enough power for a full day, from intensive work to back-to-back meetings. A key highlight of the mono version is its replaceable battery. You can swap the battery instead of replacing the entire headset. Truly change the battery, not the device. Extends lifespan, perfect for long shifts and flexible workspaces. The VT9800 features dual microphone AI noise cancellation. As you can see, the current ambient noise level is around 75 decibels. No VT9800, just your computer's microphone. Here is how you sound. Now let's put on the VT9800. Even in a noisy environment, the person on the other hand hears your voice with exceptional clarity. And the VT9800 supports simultaneous connection to two devices, your phone via Bluetooth and your computer via the BT200U dongle. When a Microsoft Teams call comes in, just press the multi-function button to answer. You can walk up to 30 meters away from your desk while staying on call. Truly hands-free. After the call ends, seamlessly switch back to music on your phone. Work and life are interrupted. And the VT9800 Bluetooth headset, all-day comfort, long battery life, AI noise cancellation, and seamless connectivity. Whether you are at your desk or on the go for calls, it's the partner you can always count on. What do you think about our products? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.